Hello, my name is Jacob Harmon, and I am here to explain what is fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is essentially a control system that is developed to simulate human reasoning. How it does this is, rather than using a binary logic, such as zeros or ones or no's and yes, is that it uses a range of values, such as 0, 0.25, 0.5, and 1, or no, probably not, maybe, and yes. Easiest example of this is if I asked you, is it raining outside? You could simply tell me, yes, it's raining, no, it's not raining, which is the binary case, or you could tell me the degree to which it's raining outside, which would be, no, it's not raining, it's drizzling outside, it's raining a normal amount, it's raining cats and dogs, there's a hurricane going on, etc. This is useful because it allows for more complex systems to have an easier control system applied to it, because complex systems are usually more difficult to fully model for traditional methods. Fuzzy logic also uses a linguistic rule base in order to interpret the inputs, which makes it easier to develop because you can more easily see what exactly you're doing with the inputs relating to the output. It's different in that it does not need this full system model in order to actually operate. It just needs inputs that you have from the system, such as any sensors you have, feeds it through this rule base, and then the output is just out to your actuation. It's also easy to add on new rules if you have any new inputs or if you need more outputs. It's also easy to couple with a genetic algorithm setup so that the system can learn and optimize its rule base in order for the control scheme to work to its best. The potential of this is that it's able to overcome these problems with conventional control methods that need a full or nearly full system model. These complex systems tend to be much larger, harder to characterize, or they tend to exhibit emergent behavior over time, which is harder to predict and use control schemes on. Fuzzy logic can be more simple and robust than traditional control schemes due to the linguistic rule base. And common implementations of fuzzy logic tends to be in the inverted pendulum problem with the cart, and satellite control, whether that's station keeping or if it's maintaining its antenna position, or navigation algorithms, because fuzzy logic tends to be easier with these error reducing kind of operations. I do realize that this has sort of been a brief jog through what fuzzy logic is, and I hope that this was informational for you, but I suggest that you look up this powerful tool.